La 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 la. Hello and welcome to another episode of Touring with EVs on RevWheels. Today it's just me, the open highway, and this, the new BYD Sealion 7. Now the BYD Sealion 7, it's known not just for the fantastic range that it offers, but also for proper supercar levels of performance. Now we're headed towards the Gujarat highway to a nice cozy seafood place in the midst of nature. It's the kind of place that makes this kind of road trip worthwhile. Now, the food aside, for now the BYD Sealion 7 has my complete attention. So let's see how it goes. Now the range and the performance and the features aside, the BYD Sealion 7 looks properly good. I don't know why is it just me, but I get proper Lamborghini Urus vibes from the front. Tell me I'm wrong, but just check our shots, just check the statics. I don't know. If you agree with me, do let me know in the comments.
Look at it. Sharp, sculpted, and unapologetically bold. BYD calls it the Ocean X face, and it works. The stance is wide, muscular, with those 20-inch wheels filling up the arches perfectly. On the highway, people look twice, sometimes even thrice. It has that presence.
Now the BYD Sealion 7, it might boast slightly conventional lines on the outside, but on the inside, it's anything but that.
Step inside and the Sealion 7 feels every bit premium. Napa leather seats, a panoramic glass roof, and that massive 15.6-inch rotating display. It's like carrying a living room entertainment setup on wheels. The Dyna audio speakers, wireless charging, heads-up display, all here, all done right. It's a cabin that cocoons you, making long drives easy and road trips even better.
And then there's the way it drives. Two motors transferring power to all four wheels with a combined output of 523 bhp. Yes, you heard that right. 523 bhp and 690 Newton meters of torque. Now these figures just look outrageous on paper.
Out here in the real world, it means you overtake before you're even finished thinking about it. 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. That's supercar quick and faster than a Mercedes-AMG GLE 53, which costs a ridiculous 1.88 crore. Except this isn't a two-seat sports car. It's a 5-seat SUV with a boot full of luggage. That's what makes it so wild. And despite those big 20-inch wheels, the ride quality is a surprise. Double wishbones at the front, multi-link at the rear, it feels planted at high speeds, yet cushioned over bumps and expansion joints. It's sporty without punishing you. A balance that makes hours behind the wheel effortless.
Now fast EVs usually come with a compromise: range. But that's not the case with the BYD Sealion 7.
567 kilometers on a full charge. In the real world, it'll be less, but still enough to forget about range anxiety. Add 150 kilowatt-hour fast charging and vehicle to load, which lets you power appliances straight from the car. And you realize this SUV isn't just built for commuting. It's built for touring, for life on the move.
Of course, it's not perfect. I mean, the rear window, it's so small you can barely see anything out of it, and that does make a little bit of it does cause a little bit of issues when you're reversing it. And also, like most TVs, you do not get a spare wheel, you just get a puncture kit. Now these are small things, but things to keep in mind.
Do you feel the winds are turning round? 'Cause what goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part.
At over 50 lakhs on road, the BYD Sealion 7 is expensive. But then some cars aren't bought with the head, they're bought with the heart. Every trip in this car feels special. Every stop along the way feels like a memory waiting to happen. And that's the real magic of the Sealion 7. It turns a simple drive into a story worth telling.